Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And a couple days ago, I got an email saying that a package was going to be sent to me. Well, the package is here, and this is Burgh unboxing. Now, I have some idea what's in here, but I do not know specifically what is in here. So, I'm going to open it up, and the person who sent to me has asked me not to divulge their identity. I won't stab myself with a scissor, which is a distinct possibility. I found a little flat, unfolding knife I gave to Kathy to keep in the glove compartment so that when I get packages, I don't have to struggle with them in the car, but it's in the car now. Alright, let's see if I can get this open. And I managed to feed Talkie finally. Hadn't fed him in 2 days. It was pouring rain all night. And of course, it poured this morning. And when I go out, put on the raincoat, put on the hat, what does it do? Of course, it stops raining. There. Well, he really packed this. How am I going to get it open? Let's try this way. This is an HP box. Alright, do it this way. I can't show you one part. It's got the person's address. Alright, we have very good packing here. Better than some things I've seen on Luke Miani's channel, who does great Mac videos. And here is the stuff. We have here the out there. And we have the power, well, part of the power brick for it. We have the styrofoam. Let's pull this out. And where the other part of the power brick is. It's missing. Looks like it's missing. Here's something else. What is this? Oh, here's the other half. Okay. So we have the. I'm not sure about that. Boy, I don't remember having one of these. Usually they were all right. Alright, we have this and this. But it's different than the ones I used to use. This is very, it's time to definitely clean this due to age. I know how to do it. I just have to get the materials. Something bright. I have to watch the videos on. Let's see if I can plug this in somewhere. Or I have a plug. All right, and there is a note. Note. Okay, and it says absolutely. Oh, the password. Well, let me tell you the password. Okay, now take the styrofoam. This is very nice styrofoam. Perfect. I want to put this away or travel with it. I'm going to keep those. All right, here we are. This is a slightly scratched MacBook. That's okay. Boy, the serial number is in little tiny letters, so I'm going to have trouble with that. All right, we will open it up. This is a MacBook Pro. I've never had a MacBook Pro, so this is very exciting. And This has the different magnetic power thing in my 2009 MacBook. Plug that in, and I don't know how you turn this on. Dinner and dancing in a show, maybe. Let's see. Well, I'll have to figure that out after this video, because I don't have a clue how you turn this mod. Oh, there's the button. I can't see a damn thing. Forgot about the power button. All right, there we go. There's the chime. No chime of death. And it's going. It is starting up. This is so cool, and I thank this person already for this. And this has a slot drive, presumably for DVDs. I have no idea what year this is. I can look it up on Mac Tracker or another Mac website. I have Mac Tracker on my 2008, so I can look that up. Let me activate Mac Tracker so I can get the statistics for this once it's going. If you're wondering, this is Acme, like scraped up and driving me crazy. All right, now. That was a yin-yang symbol, very old yin-yang symbol. There's the dock. I'm going to move the Mac Tracker down. There's the dock. There's another thing to scratch. There's your dock. There's the Mac. The screen, the waves, the ocean waves. I always put the dock on the left. So let's see what this is. This is OS 10 version 10.9.5. He told me this was Mavericks. I'm running 10.11, I think, on my Mac. 4 gigs of memory. 2.26 gigahertz Intel Core Duo. So we'll click on more info and see. All right, this is a MacBook Pro, and it doesn't tell me. It's when they don't tell you the year. It drives me nuts on this sort of thing. So this has a. Not certain about this. Looks maybe a 160 gigabyte hard drive. No Thunderbolt. And it has Bluetooth. And it will find both my networks, the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. So let's power that up. And see if it's getting on the net. It's connecting. And it is still connecting. It's finally connected. And let's see if I can find out. Well, we don't have Firefox in here. We have Safari. And so I will have to figure out figure out what this is. Let me go back here. Bear with me for a minute. I'll do the Mac tracker. And I'm going to turn on. Alright, MacBook Pro. And we will figure out, I have no idea, 2.4. Now I don't know what year this thing is, so I'll have to look this up the serial number. And let's get this out of the way. Anyway, I thank the person for sending it. I really appreciate it. I'll have to play with this and update the software and figure out what MacBook Pro it is. But there it is. So very cool. And let's see what site I'm going to go to. I don't ever watch CNN and Disney, and Yahoo. All right, we'll go to ESPN. There's it moves up. If it moves up. What the heck is this? Very weird. Well, all right, I'll go to Apple. I know that's going to work. Maybe. There we go. There's the Apple site. So, there you go. It works. All right, thank you for sending this to me. I already thank you, but I thank you officially. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. This is very cool. My first MacBook Pro, and I'll try to figure out what MacBook Pro it is. And I'll play with this and see if the DVD drive works and get Firefox put on here and upgrade the software to probably El Capitan, which is like my 2008. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. And stay safe out there. I really, really am happy to get this. This is cool. I don't know what the weight of this thing is, but it's awesome for me. Okay, bye-bye for now.